No love equals self-love. Love is something that everyone wants because it is a natural thing that makes both the give and the receive feel full. Such as parents loving their children, husband and wife loving each other, citizens being loyal to the king, young men loving young women, etc. However, the love that people give to others, as mentioned above, the Lord Buddha says, it less love than the love that people have for themselves. Because people always try to do everything for themselves, whether it is eating, loving, or sleeping, in order to make themselves comfortable, even though they say that they love others and others drink with all their heart. When they really consider it, it is because others and others drink can make them happy that they love them. But this is only excellent, external, external love of themselves. Those who can be called to love themselves correctly must try to establish themselves in morality and remove themselves from defilements and sadness. Then they can be called to truly love themselves, which is considered internal love. It is said that people in no other will equal to like hearts because of all the will that people have tried hard to save up to solve the problems of loving. The first thing is for food, and in food life must be the most important. Therefore, if there is light heart in the barn, there is no need to be afraid of starvation. There is no utter. There is no utter lie that is equal to wisdom, because eternal light from the sun or elect, elect, electricity cannot shine everywhere. For example, if there is anything covering it, it becomes dark. No, the other hand, the light that is wisdom resides in the heart, shines brightly both day and night. Nothing nothing can cover it. It is the light within. Rain is an excellent point because the water that is stagnant in various presence, such as stream, storm, canal, and lake, all come from rainwater. Rainwater is therefore considered the source of all water in the world.